Linking PayPal to Orange Money is one of the most searched payment topics in 2026, especially in regions where mobile money is more common than traditional banking. Many users expect a simple Connect Wallet option inside PayPal, but the reality is more complex. This guide explains how PayPal and Orange Money actually work together in 2026, what options are available, what limitations still exist, and which methods are safest depending on your goal. Understanding the PayPal Orange Money limitation. As of 2026, PayPal does not officially support direct wallet-to-wallet linking with Orange Money in most countries. This means you cannot add your Orange Money phone number as a bank or wallet inside PayPal, receive PayPal balance directly into Orange Money, instantly transfer PayPal funds to Orange Money from within the PayPal app. This limitation is not a bug or an error. It exists because PayPal and Orange Money operate under different financial systems, regulatory frameworks, and regional banking rules. What you can do in 2026. Although full integration is not available, there are practical workarounds that many users successfully use. Method 1. Link an Orange Money Visa card to PayPal. In several regions, Orange Money provides a Visa companion card or virtual Visa card. This is currently the most reliable way to connect Orange Money with PayPal. The Visa card acts as a bridge between Orange Money and PayPal. PayPal treats the card like a standard debit card. Payments made through PayPal are funded by your Orange Money balance. Open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. Select Add a Card. Enter your Orange Money Visa card details, complete PayPal's card verification. This method allows payments, not withdrawals. You cannot move PayPal balance into Orange Money using the card. Fees may apply depending on your region and card type. This option is best if your goal is using Orange Money funds to pay online via PayPal. Method 2. Use PayPal transfer services, country dependent. In some countries, PayPal supports transfers to mobile money services through its transfer systems. Where supported, this allows you to send money from PayPal into an Orange Money account. Availability depends entirely on your country. Transfer fees and exchange rates apply. Not all Orange Money regions are supported. This method works more like a money transfer, not a permanent account link. Method 3. Third-party exchange services. In certain regions, third-party services offer to exchange PayPal funds and send the equivalent amount to Orange Money. How it usually works is you send PayPal funds to the service. They convert and transfer money to your Orange Money wallet. Fees are deducted during the process. These services are not officially endorsed. Scams and unreliable providers exist. Fees are often higher than bank transfers. Only use this option if you trust the provider, you understand the risks, and no official alternatives are available in your country. Common problems users face. Many users think PayPal and Orange Money are not working when in reality they are running into system limitations. PayPal won't let me add Orange Money. Withdraw button doesn't show Orange Money. PayPal balance can't be transferred. These are not technical errors, they are feature restrictions. Why PayPal and Orange Money are still not fully integrated. Several factors explain why full integration hasn't happened yet. Regulatory compliance differs by country. Mobile money wallets are not always classified as banks. Currency conversion and fraud prevention requirements. Limited regional partnerships. Because of this, PayPal features vary heavily depending on where your account is registered. Best option based on your goal. If your goal is online payments, then use an Orange Money Visa card linked to PayPal. If your goal is sending money to Orange Money, then check PayPal transfer availability in your country or use a trusted intermediary. If your goal is receiving PayPal income into Orange Money, then a third-party exchange or local transfer service may be required. Can PayPal be linked to Orange Money? Yes, indirectly using cards or supported transfer services. Is full wallet-to-wallet integration available? No, direct PayPal to Orange Money linking is still not officially supported in most countries.
For now, the safest and most stable method remains linking an Orange Money Visa card for payments combined with transfer services where available.